Hi everyone, I'm Mark Coles here at the IET. I'm Head of Technical Regulations and I'm with Amy Barratt-Singh. Hi Amy.
Hello.
We're going to be talking about this Orange Book and about what's coming along. So you have some questions, don't you, Amy?
I do, yeah. I've been talking to some other electricians and basically we would like to know what are the main drivers for the new amendment.
They're long in the making because if you look in the early pages of BS7671, you'll see the preface, which is a breakdown of all the different chapters and sections. And these are all cited as HDs, these are harmonised documents in Europe. And you'll also see IEC documents cited there too. Now, IEC is the International Electrotechnical Commission, mouthful there, but it's the global standardisation platform for electrical standardisation. So standards are set at an international level conventionally, then they come into Europe into CENELEC, and we see them as HDs, harmonised documents. You'll also see ENs, you know about ENs with circuit breakers and the like. And very quickly, an EN is something which is a product, same again, time after time after time. An HD is a harmonised document because all electrical installations aren't the same time after time after time. You achieve safety, of course, by following BS7671, but they're not identical. Your house is different to mine. So the changes occur IEC level, they come into Europe, because IEC level we won't ever standardise with the States, with the United States, because they have different frequency, different voltages, different plugs, sockets or receptacles as they call them, and we're different. But in Europe we conventionally use the same protection against electric shock principles. We have the same circuit breakers, we have the same, I was going to say switches, but not always the same switches, but you get my point. We're conventionally using the same methods of protection against electric shock. Then we come out of Europe into the UK and we tweak it. We tweak those standards, because we have particular laws of legislation like ESQCR. Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS7671 and you can get it from the iet.org/gettheregs. And pre-orders available now until the publication date of the 15th of April 2026.